With the wire box securely mounted, the next step is to make wiring connections. Install conduit between wall connector and the electrical panel and pull wiring between the 2 points. Wall connector requires 3 conductors, line 1, line 2, and an equipment grounding conductor. Please note, Gen 3 wall connector has one set of terminals that can be accessed from the top or bottom, while universal wall connector has 2 terminals, one facing up and one facing down, which enables daisy chaining the branch circuit to additional units. This video features an installation of universal wall connector. However, the process is the same for both. Some installations will utilize the terminals on the back of the wall connector unit for auxiliary communication. For additional details on communication wiring, watch the videos for dynamic power management and power share systems. When conduit entry is at the top of the enclosure, wiring should be terminated at the bottom of the terminals. Conversely, when conduit enters through the bottom or rear of the enclosure, wiring should be terminated at the top of the terminals. Ensure that the wiring is long enough to reach this zip tie point and reach the terminals. Strip the end of each wire and compare it against the strip length gauge. Use the provided zip tie to secure the wiring to the anchor point in this channel. Insert each stripped conductor into the corresponding labeled terminal. Use the included hex bit from the accessory bag and a Torx screwdriver to tighten each terminal to the listed specification. Visually inspect each wire to ensure that a proper connection has been made. All strands for each conductor must be neatly seated in the terminals and insulation must not be pinched. With wiring terminated and torqued, the next step is to attach the wall connector unit to the wire box. Align the wall connector unit over the wire box and press inward, engaging the contact blades into the sliding contacts. Apply pressure to the faceplate and secure wall connector with the 4 included fasteners and hex bit. Do not use a drill to install these fasteners. Hand tighten these 4 fasteners to finish the installation. Neatly wrap the charge cord around the housing counterclockwise and secure the handle in the side dock. Wall connector is now ready for the final steps, turning it on and commissioning it for use.